Alright, so welcome to this video and आज हम बात करेंगे how Frimpong and Kerkez are gonna change the way Liverpool attack. Because last season we saw कि attack थोड़ा midfield से हो रहा था, like technically it was from the midfield in the sense that McAllister and Gravenberch were the ones controlling the tempo instead of the fullbacks which used to be Trent and Robertson क्योंकि Klopp में हम like wider खेलते थे. But even though it seems as if we are doing central progression, हम लोग थोड़ा विंग पे ज़्यादा फोकस्ड हैं बिकॉज ऑफ साला एंड लुइस डियाज जैसे प्लेयर्स. बट एज वी सी ट्रेंट एंड रॉबर्टसन में से सिर्फ एक को ही कोई अटैकिंग प्रिविलेज मिलता था बिकॉज द अदर हैड टू कम बैक एंड डिफेंड, नॉट डिफेंड बट जस्ट स्टे बैक इन द सेंस. सो विड्थ प्रोवाइड करने के लिए द वे इट वॉज दैट साला एंड रॉबर्टसन और साला एंड ट्रेंट used to occupy the wings, but Salah, specifically to accommodate Salah, the thing we did was Trent को hold back करने रखते थे and then Robertson used to go and bomb forward so that we used to have Salah inside and Szoboszlai or McAllister or Gravenberch would occupy the winger space. And as seen from the fullbacks का heat map, almost we used to occupy very central areas in the fullbacks. But after we won the league, like after the Tottenham game, Slot tried to experiment and gave us a glimpse of what was about to come. So as you can see, the heat map against like Crystal Palace, then uske baad Brighton, Arsenal, Chelsea, it is very clear that the fullbacks are given more, privilege to go and attack, and they have to defend as well. That is not a question. बट अटैक करने के लिए उनको ज़्यादा विंगिंग लाइक द फाइनल थर्ड में उनको एंट्रीज ज़्यादा मिल रही थी. एंड आई हैव प्रूफ ऑफ दैट एज वेल सिंस वी कैन सी द लेस्टर गेम इन विच ट्रेंट इज़ ऑक्यूपाइंग दिस स्पेस एंड रॉबर्टसन इज़ ऑक्यूपाइंग दिस स्पेस एंड लाइक काफ़ी सारे हैं. सो फ्रिम्पोंग एंड कर्केज के आने से क्या बदलेगा? फ्रिम्पोंग एंड कर्केज के आने से ये बदलेगा कि ट्रेंट जैसे ट्रेटर्स विल नॉट बी इन आवर क्लब. एंड या आई नो the only legends which I consider are like good are on my wall. So Van Dijk आना बाकी है, but Trent, no, thank you. But like apart from that, so as we can see कि like Slot ने allow किया the fullbacks को to go more ahead and penalty box में arrive करने के लिए. And for those of us who have seen Kerkez and Frimpong attack, everyone knows that they love that area. But for those of us who don't and who don't care enough to watch Bournemouth and Bayer Leverkusen, I got you, don't worry. So as we can see in this video, look at how Frimpong is occupying this zone, and not only does he occupy that zone, he is very lethal in that area, and his stats back it up. Everyone knows how good he is. I'll just tell you, 7 goals and 9 assists in the league. And I mean, you may not think that those are crazy numbers, but for someone who's playing in Bayer Leverkusen where they don't have the quality which Liverpool do, it is remarkable if you think about it. But the main deal is that not only is he very, better than Trent in this sense, not the passing obviously, but like hit apart, but he's not only better than Trent at arriving into the box, he is quicker, he is faster, and his dribbling is too good for a fullback. So he is someone who can create something out of nothing. हमने कॉनर ब्रैडली का गोल अगेंस्ट चेल्सी देखा था, वो वाला in which he darted and then he finished that goal the like December के time पे when Trent was injured. And this is exactly what Frimpong does on a game-to-game basis. So that is why he's going to be a very, very, very big thing for us. And obviously words आ रहा है, we'll talk about words in another video. But Frimpong के आने से ये होगा कि एक issue तो ये है कि defensively he's not as good, but offensively he makes up for it. So even though defensively हम लोग के पास Trent का replacement नहीं होगा, because I still believe that Trent is a better defender than Frimpong, but हमारा सिस्टम ही चेंज होने वाला है. So earlier when the ball used to progress through the middle, मैकलिस्टर एंड ग्रावेनबर्ग जैसे प्लेयर्स को फ्रीडम दी जाती थी आगे जाने के लिए. नॉट ग्रावेनबर्ग बट मैकलिस्टर यूज्ड टू गो एंड बॉम्ब अहेड. But now that is not going to happen. Either McAllister or Gravenberch, whoever's playing in the 6, will drop back and form a back 3, right? And वो back 3 जैसे ही form होगी, the full backs are enabled and the 3-5-2 system is formed. Not the 3-5-2, whatever it is, the 3-4-2-1 or whatever it is, in which Wirtz and someone else, Wirtz and McAllister are the midfield 2, will be the holding midfielders. 3 centre backs में से 2 will be Van Dijk and Konate, and the third one will be Gravenberch most probably, and the fullbacks will become the wing backs and they'll provide the width which we want, right? Because earlier the width was provided by Salah and Luis Diaz, but since Salah is the Messi of our team, he has the free roam capabilities, so Salah को उतना restrictions नहीं थे. Salah used to go wherever he wanted, and that is why he had a generational season last year. So that is what we want to replicate from the left hand side as well, and I think left hand side में Wirtz खेलने वाला है, so I think that is what Wirtz is gonna help us do, give Salah numbers from the left hand side as well. So Frimpong enables Salah's side. Let's talk about the left side, and left side पे is gonna be Milos Kerkez, the Bournemouth beast, क्योंकि Salah के side पे तो Frimpong है, Wirtz के side पे Milos Kerkez है. So the thing with Kerkez is I see him as a young Robertson, relentless, great presser of the ball, great with carrying the ball, not as good as Frimpong, but he's really good. And he's explosive, and he is a defensive beast. Last season, even Anthony Robinson wasn't as good as Milos Kerkez in my eyes, because Anthony Robinson was more attacking, because Fulham 5 at the back खेलती थी, and Fulham में 5 at the back तो 3 centre backs, so defensive उतना नहीं था, but Bournemouth played a 4 at the back, and because they played a 4 at the back, Milos Kerkez not only had to defend, but he also had to attack, and we can clearly see it. He runs up and down the pitch the whole game, and he doesn't stop, and everyone remembers that Newcastle goal. So the main thing is that I think, ironically, Slot is trying to do what Klopp did, but with a much more controlled approach. Because Klopp जब 4-3-3 खिलाता था, we used to only have 2 centre backs, Matip and Van Dijk, and उसकी वजह से हम काउंटर पे बहुत पिटते थे. So what Slot is doing is कि instead of that 4-3-3 which was very aggressive but we used to get goals, control नहीं है, and that is what we need, because we have won the Premier League, everyone's eyes are on us right now, so that is what we need right now. So instead of the 4-3-3, what we are doing is, in possession, we'll go with the 3-4-2-1, in which the 2 will be Salah and Florian Wirtz, and the striker is whoever we're gonna sign, or Darwin Núñez, let's go with him. But yeah, so apart from everything else, I think that is what the team is gonna go towards right now, because the signings are there, and if we sign Mark Gahey, which we are rumored, it's gonna be a good window, because I don't know about Konate right now. So I think that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.